Hey everyone!
Ready to build up on that side step?
In this lesson, we are adding new hands, head movements, and finding the groove with the side step, adding a double separation and connecting the dots between the first lesson and the first drill. Alright, let's go! Hey everybody! Welcome back again. Hope you're warmed up and ready to hit the floor. In our previous class, we covered the side step, front step, and back step. Let's build on top of that. Instead of doing a single step to any direction, we can always do a double step. Try it with me. We keep the knees bent, arms swinging, all 4 directions. Starting to the right, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, to the front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pretty easy, right? The more you do the bounce drills, the easier it gets. Let's also learn a new movement with our arms. Instead of swinging them, we are doing chicken wings. When you open, you raise your elbows. When you close, you lower them down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, funk you up. Woo! Try it with me. Add it to the double step. To the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, down, up, down, up, down, funk you up. To the left. Up, down, up, down, up, down, funk you up. Woo! What else could we add to the move? What if we add our head to it? Like so. Boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam. It goes like this. When I open, I turn my head. When I close, it goes back to the center. And repeat. Open, close, open, close, open, close. It doesn't really matter to which side you turn your head to. Whatever feels comfy, you can try both sides. Same thing as we did in the drills. Boom, 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 boom. Remember? So let's do the double step with the head and arms together. Starting to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, you don't have to always turn your head. Let's do the following. When we step out, we will add the head turn. And when we come back to the center, we don't do the turns. So we head, head, chill, chill. Together. Starting to the left this time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Head, head, chill, chill. To the right. Head, head, chill, chill. Bueno. Now we're almost funky chickens. Once the move gets comfortable, you can add the flavor to it. Alexi, could you try to add some flavor?
Let's try it.
Let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To the left. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Voila! I hope you enjoyed the new moves. You can mix the directions and steps as you like. it's your playground. So feel free with it, and as always, we'll see you in the follow along video. High five yourself for showing up!